What is going on, YouTube? So today we are going to be giving the E46 M3 a much needed bath. As you can probably see in the footage, it is quite dirty. I've been enjoying this car a lot over the past couple of weeks. I haven't had the time to wash it, so I'm gonna be giving it a bath now. I'm no like obsessed garage Matt Mormon level detailer, but I do like to keep my cars relatively clean, so I'm just gonna walk you through my process. I mean, disclaimer alert, it's not perfect, but gets the job done. So it's be more of a chill type video, so just sit back, relax, and watch me clean this sucker. So for the wheels, I do like to hit it with some brake buster. It does work quite well for me. I mean, I know some people like to foam it up, do all that jazz, but for me, just a simple spray. You know, BMWs, they like to fucking brake dust like no tomorrow, so let that sit for a couple minutes and I'll come in with a brush and do it up. So you'll see a clean wheel right about now. Boom, we are clean. So brake buster got most of it off. Obviously there's still a little bit caked on brake dust. I think I have to break down over time, but for now this looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go around, obviously do the rest of the wheels, and I'll catch up back with you. Alright, so for the actual wash itself, I've just been using this Griot super concentrated car wash. I like it, it subs up well enough. Obviously, got our 2-bucket method. So, just gonna fill this shit up. I, to be honest, don't really measure. I just throw a whole bunch in there and hope for the best. So in case anyone is wondering, the car does have just car power lock with a coat of Colonite 845, and it's been on there for like a year and a half and it's holding up decently. I think it is starting to fail a little bit now, but it has been pretty good overall. I think it just needs another coat of it, to be honest, but still beats water in some areas really well. there you have it. M3 is all clean. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have any tips or tricks that I should know about, do let me know. And if not, I hope you guys enjoyed it and catch you on the next one. Peace.